Hello, this is Wednesday, May 8th. You can see, kind of dark. Had a tornado hit. I'm in Longview, Texas, on the northeast side of town. And of course, tornado started southwest of me and come up. I was very fortunate, no damage to my house. Neighbors not so fortunate. 2 doors down, they had a solid 80-foot oak tree fall under their house. My stepmother's in Kilgore, Texas. She had a tree hit her roof. Not sure if it punctured the roof or not. Tornado hit about 1:30 in the afternoon. I got power back to my factory at 10 minutes till 5, so the alarm is armed. And then power's been off here on my part of town where my house is since that same 1:30. There's significant damage to the northeast of me, about a mile, half mile. That's what took out the power, and they've been working on it for the last almost 8 hours. So apparently it's pretty significant. The roads are closed, you can't get up there. Got my little Coleman lantern going. Got my Coleman stove if needed. I have a generator I keep here at the house just for these kind of events. Doesn't happen very often, but when it does, it does. Well, that's kind of stupid, you can't see anything. Let me get my lantern. Of course, it's going to be pretty noisy. A little emergency generator. All I'm trying to do is keep the food in the freezer frozen and the refrigerator, keep that food cool like it's supposed to be. I got these little branches like this all throughout the yard. And give me something to do the next couple of days picking all that crap up. Well, again, I'm fortunate. I got trees everywhere and nothing hit my house. Now, being without power nowadays, that's pretty inconvenient. It's not life altering. It'll come back on sooner or later. Checked on all my neighbors. I don't know if they needed the generator to keep their food cold. The ones that are home don't cook. No, we always go out to eat, Amos. We don't really keep anything in the refrigerator. Well, okay. Jordan and I do keep a lot of food in the refrigerator, and I mean a lot. And a lot in the freezer too. We cook. Well, all in all, like I said, I'm pretty dang fortunate because it hit real close to my house again. This is the second tornado that's come real close to the house in the last 5 years. California has earthquakes. Texas has tornadoes. Given the choice, I prefer the tornadoes. But that's just me. Anyway, kind of hard to see sitting in the dark. There's my lantern. And that's about it. Click to subscribe, hit the like button, tell me your tales of woe. Again, this is just paying butt, not life ending. It ain't nothing but electricity. I can get by without it, don't really care. Anyway, that's all I got. When I get electricity and my internet's back up, I'll get this posted. Y'all have a good evening. Thank you.